Codename One builds native applications and games in Java from one codebase. Today, one visual scene format turns the gaming runtime into an authoring workflow for two-dimensional, board, and three-dimensional games. A loop, sprites, physics, input, and sound can all be portable while the level remains dozens of constructors and position setters. Every visual change needs compilation, and data that artists should edit is mixed with runtime rules. Godot's scene system composes nodes into reusable trees, so spatial structure can be authored and instantiated separately from gameplay scripts. Tiled exports visual maps with layers, object data, tile sets, and custom properties that runtimes can load independently of editor code. Game Builder stores layers, assets, objects, transforms, terrain, and typed properties in a plain game file. The runtime realizes that file into a scene, and generated fields bind named objects without overriding the constructor or update logic the developer owns. The companion class loads a game-level resource into game scene view and starts the rules loop. The same model supports a side-scroller, an isometric board, or a three-dimensional dungeon without changing that loading shape. The editor exposes hierarchy, assets, canvas, and properties in one place. The board and dungeon captures show that the format is not a platformer skin. Each mode has its own projection and preview while retaining the same project data model. The developer can review a level as data, regenerate object bindings safely, reuse standard Codename One UI for menus and heads-up displays, and stream neighboring regions when the world grows beyond one scene. Choose a platformer, board game, dungeon, racer, or open world.